What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year, everyone. It is not the first, the second day of 2022, so technically 2022 of January. I had a long ass weekend, man. I think I partied a little too hard. If you want to see that, you can follow me on Instagram. It's the same name as my YouTube. I went a little too hard and I'm feeling dead right now. I probably slept like a total of 8 hours the past 2 nights, so like about 4 or 5 hours a night, and been partying like literally for about like 8 to 10 hours every day. You know, work hard, play hard, right? I've been grinding out the videos, so deserved a little party fun time. Forgot about the fact that I have a ride today, the day after all these parties. Well, I didn't forget about it, I just didn't assume I'm gonna be this tired. I miscalculated, I guess. I am exhausted right now. I would really like to rest, but I'm going out for you guys, getting some content, meeting up with a few special Ducatis. That should be fun. We should be meeting up with a V4 SP, a V4 Superleggera, a V4S, pretty much a bunch of Paniagles. Also, this is the first time I ride the bike ever since I put all the carbon fiber and all these parts on. I don't know if you guys noticed, but look at that carbon fiber dash cover too. Hopefully it doesn't fly off because it's only held by some tape. Well, not like tape, but like 3M. So yeah, hopefully the bike doesn't vibrate set off. The good news is I received my exhaust. We all mixed up the parking lots, I guess, so I'm gonna just oh, I need gas pretty badly. Actually, my trip fuel just went on 0.1 miles. I thought it went on earlier, but yeah, I think I was saying that I received my exhaust and I'm super excited to get it put on. I think I'm gonna do that. Everything is closed right now. It's a Sunday, tomorrow is a Monday. Most bike shops are closed too, so hopefully it's gonna be Tuesday. That's when I plan on going to put on the exhaust with the air filter and also the tune. So I'm doing it all pretty much. Haha.
What's up, brother? What's up, Brian? How you doing, man? I'm Reggie.
Okay, nice to meet you, man.
What's up, brother? Mark coming? Brother.
Okay. What's up, man?
Hello.
Okay.
Oh, yes?
Wow.
I like what you did to her, brother.
Thank you, thank you. I literally just got the exhaust today.
Yeah?
Yep.
Oh, you got it?
Literally, I just got it today. It's gonna be so loud.
Yeah. I bet it is.
Yeah, I had the Acro on my last V4.
Okay.
It just wasn't loud enough for me. Okay. I want to be obnoxious, you know?
Yeah. That's called a Mark. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. You look pretty, though.
Thank you, thank you. I need to get some carbon wheels like you guys.
Yeah, it's light. It makes it lighter for sure. Nimble, rather.
What a trio. The R, SP, and the Superleggera. Comment your favorite one. I mean, I'm pretty sure most of you are going to pick the Superleggera, but who knows? Let me know what you guys think. We got the Yamahas, R1M, Honda 1000 RR, and then the I can't even talk. The 3 crazy bikes. SP, Superleggera, and R. What a beautiful trio. I'm like excited to get all the rest of my parts Well, the carbon, it's gonna look much better, and get the exhaust put on. That's gonna look sick. But yeah, we're gonna go on a little ride, meet up with another friend that also has a base V4. It's a lot of Ducatis, $200,000 and 3 Ducatis pretty much. And the half of that is the Superleggera. Oh, I need an exhaust so bad. I feel like this, they have the same exhaust. They sound, I feel like the Superleggera sounds a little different, because you know the Superleggera and the R do have different engines than the V4 and the V4S and the V4 SP. So I wonder how it's gonna sound with my exhaust. I also don't know any V4s that have the same exhaust that I do, so that is gonna be also interesting. Oh, I'm so excited for the exhaust, you guys. Especially when I ride with other bikes that have exhaust. Makes me feel quiet, to say the least. But it does feel nice when I'm riding alone. Yeah, that bike definitely sounds louder. I don't remember my V4S being that loud when I had my exhaust on it. I just got smacked in my chest with a rock from the R1M. Those wings look crazy. Am I the only one that needs gas? Looks like it. Unprepared, as always. Holy 5.25. At least this bike doesn't use as much gas as they used to. Probably because it's way lighter, and also makes like 50 less wheel horsepower. Only 3.2 gallons. I thought it's gonna take like 3.5 to 4.